Good afternoon students, welcome back to online maths class. So in today's class we are going to start with the new chapter, that is chapter 9, differential equation. So this chapter is there for 10 marks for the annual exam. So on this chapter you will get one 2-mark question, one 3-mark question and one 5-mark question. So we have already learnt various types of equations, quadratic equations, linear equations, trigonometric equations and so on. Similarly, here we are going to study about differential equations. So we have studied x square minus 5x plus 6 which is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. And then 2x plus 3y which is equals to 0. This is a linear equation in two variables. And then we'll take sin x plus cos x which is equals to 0. So this is a trigonometric equation. So similarly, so we can write the differential equation now. X dy by dx plus y, x dy by dx plus y which is equals to 0. So like this you can write many differential equations. So this is an example for the differential equation. What is the exact definition of a differential equation? So this equation involves the derivative of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable. So here y is the dependent variable whereas x is an independent variable. An equation involving the derivative of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable is called a differential equation. So that is the definition of the differential equation. We'll write the definition and then we'll go for the types of differential equations. So the definition is the definition is an equation involving the derivative of dependent variable with respect to the independent variable with respect to the independent variable is called a differential equation. So let me give some of the examples. Example, x dy by dx plus y which is equals to 0. And then so here we can have 2x square into d square y by dx square plus 3y which is equals to 0. So this is also the example for the differential equation. So in this mainly we have two types. So the next heading is types of differential equation. Types of differential equation. So mainly there are two types. In that the first one is ordinary differential equation and the second one is partial differential equation. So let us discuss about ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation. What is the exact definition of an ordinary differential equation? So differential equations involving derivative or derivatives with respect to only one independent variable. So such equations are called ordinary differential equations. So let me write the definition. Differential equations involving differential equations involving derivative or derivatives of dependent variable with respect to only one independent variable. With respect to only one independent variable. With respect to only one independent variable is called an ordinary differential equation. Is called an ordinary differential equation. So now let us give some of the examples. So here the differential equation should have only one independent variable. So we can write d cube y by dx cube plus 2 times dy by dx which is equals to 0. See here, both are the derivatives. So these two derivatives are with respect to only one independent, that is the independent variable is x here. In case if you have the example like this, 3 d square y by dx square plus 2 times dy by dt, 2 times dy by dt which is equals to 0. See here, so here we have d square y by dx square, but here we have dy by dt. The independent variable is x here the independent variable it is t. So you are having more than one independent variable, that means this is not an ordinary differential equation. So in this entire chapter we will be studying about the ordinary differential equation. So note down this and then we'll discuss about partial differential equation. So the second type it is partial differential equation. So partial differential equation. So here differential equations involving derivatives of dependent variable with respect to more than one independent variable, so is called the partial differential equation. So here differential equations involving differential equations involving derivatives with respect to more than one independent variable more than one independent variable Differential equations involving derivatives with respect to more than one independent variable is called a partial differential equation. Is called a partial differential equation. So let us give an example for this. Example del square u by del x square plus del square u by del y square plus del square u by del z square, which is equals to 0. Del z square, which is equals to 0. So this is the partial differential equation where you are having more than one independent variable. Del square u by del x square plus del square u by del y square plus del square u by del z square, which is equals to 0. Or else this can also be pronounced as dou square u by dou x square, dou square u by dou y square, dou square u by dou z square. This you might have come across in chemistry. So now this is regarding the types of differential equations. So next we will give an important note regarding the notations. So we have a note here, important note. We shall use the following notations in the further discussion of the chapter. We shall use the following notations. 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 So here dy by dx can be written as y dash. So here dy by dx equal to y dash, and then d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square, which is equals to y double dash, and then d cube y by dx cube, d cube y by dx cube, which is equals to y triple dash, which is equals to y triple dash. So these are some of the notations that we are going to use in this particular chapter. So next we are going to discuss an important concept, that is order of a differential equation and degree of a differential equation. Well, we have missed out another point. If for the higher order derivatives, it is very inconvenient to use so many dashes. For example, if the order is 10, so it is very difficult to write 10 dashes here. Is that clear? So that is why for the higher order derivative, we are going to use the notation yn. That means for nth order, we will be using yn. So it is d raised to ny by dx to the power n for nth order. If it is, the order is 20, we write y20. So that's how we need to use. Now the next one, it is order of a differential equation. Order of differential equation. Order of a differential equation. So what is the exact meaning of the order of the differential equation? So we'll discuss this with an example. So here we'll take an example now. X square into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx the whole cube plus y, which is equals to 0. So this is a differential equation. Now in this differential equation, what is the highest order derivative? It is second. See here, second order derivative. We have d square y by dx square. Here we have dy by dx. So this is first order derivative, whereas this is the second order derivative. Therefore, the order of this differential equation will be 2. That means the order of the differential equation is the order of the highest order derivative of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable involving in the differential equation. So let us give the definition of the order of differential equation. The order of differential equation, the order of differential equation is the order of the highest order derivative, the order of the highest order derivative of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable, So now let us give some of the examples for this. Example, so it is 3 d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus 4 which is equals to plus 4y which is equals to 0, plus 4y which is equals to 0. So here in this differential equation, the highest order of the derivative it is 2, therefore the order is 2. So for this case the order is 2. We have to write its order. Then we will give another example. D cube y by dx cube the whole cube plus 4 d square y by dx square plus 3y which is equals to 0. So in this differential equation, the highest order it is 3. We have the third order derivative. Here we have the second order derivative. So for this the order will be 3. Order it is 3. So this is regarding the order of a differential equation. So next we will be discussing about the degree of the differential equation. Next one, it is degree of differential equation, differential equation. Degree of the differential equation. To understand the degree of the differential concept, so here the main point is the differential equation should have the polynomial in derivatives, that is y dash, y double dash, y triple dash and so on. So here we will write the definition now. It should be a polynomial in derivatives. It should be a polynomial in derivatives, that is y dash, y double dash, y triple dash. Then only we can define the degree. Otherwise the degree is not defined. So the degree will be, the definition of degree of differential equation will be the highest power, that means the positive integral index, the highest power of the highest power of the highest order derivative, the highest power of the highest order derivative, the highest order derivative. The highest power of the highest order derivative. So that's how we define the degree. So we'll give an example. We'll take some of the examples. First one, any random example. So we'll take 4 times d cube y by dx cube whole raised to 2 plus 5 d square y by dx square whole raised to 5 d square y by dx square whole raised to 3 plus 2y which is equals to 0, plus 2y which is equals to 0. And then we'll take another example. So it is 2 d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx which is equals to 0. Then we'll consider one more example. X dy by dx plus sine of dy by dx which is equals to 0. So observe all these differential equations. So the first two are the derivatives of polynomials in y dash, y double dash, y triple dash. So here you have third order derivative, here you have second order derivative. So here you have second order derivative, here you have first order derivative. So here you can write 2 dy by dx plus y which is equals to 0. So now see here, the third one is not the polynomial in derivatives, that is it is not there in y dash, y double dash, y triple dash, because here you have got sine of dy by dx. This should not be there in the differential equation. Cos of dy by dx or tan of dy by dx or cos of y triple dash, sine of y double dash or log of dy by dx, like this you should not have in the differential equation. Whenever you get those like terms, the degree is not defined. So here highest power of the highest order derivative, that is going to be the degree. Highest order derivative, search for highest order derivative in this differential equation. It is the third order derivative. For this third order derivative, the power is 2. So the degree of this differential equation, it is 2, not the 3. Don't search for the highest power. So search for the highest order derivative's power, that will be the degree. So here the answer for this degree will be 2. ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ದು ಪವರ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಅದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ 3 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಈಸ್ 3, ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಈಸ್ 2. ಈ ಥರ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ 2 marks in the board exam. So here second one will write the degree which is equals to so search for the highest order derivative, it is second order derivative whose power. So that means here you will be having 1, there will be 1. So the degree of this differential equation, it is 1. So here the degree is not defined because it is not a polynomial in derivatives. It is not defined. Degree equal to not defined. Not defined. So whenever you get sine of dy by dx, cos of dy by dx, tan of dy by dx or log of dy by dx, the degree is not defined. So this is all about the introduction part of the exercise 9.1.